another angle with the birds. You can see it flying up there. But what's cool is I got this is the spillway. This is the spillway for the pond. That's just a small part. Check out the construction there. This is all stone. Love that sound. Looks like it's stone all the way across. Still feels to be holding up. Now we're at the corner of Depot in Maine and Broadway. Then the stream goes underneath. This is Main Street right here. I like that sound. See if I get a side angle. This is what's left of the raceway. The raceway left, it would take and shoot water to the factory and give it power. That thing would open and close it. Just want to get a side angle here. Pretty good. And then try to get it direct. Straight angle here. Look at that. Above that stonework. Skin out there. This must have been really pretty a couple of weeks ago. This is the gears and mechanism for the raceway. I guess you turn that crank right there. That was a crank. See if you can see it right there. If you turn the gears, which would lower something. Hope you enjoyed it. I did.